Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a really fun, exciting video to share with you guys. A company reached out to me, a light company, and asked me if I wanted to review some lights. They have sent me 3 of their lights. One is a set of 2 and the other one is a set of 1. I have some plants here on the shelf that do not get enough light, and especially my oxalis triangularis. I do not want it to go dormant on me, so I thought I could put some of those grow lights in there. So you guys, as I'm opening the package, I did want to mention that this is a sponsored review, but it is my honest review, you guys. I wanted to bring this to the channel to give you guys an opportunity to get these lights. I really do like them, and here I am unboxing them, and it comes with a little user manual that tells you what the functions are of this light and how to use it. It also gives you details on how close or far away to put it from the plant. And so I'm opening it up here, you guys, and it comes with 2 of these little stakes that you can put on the bottom of the light to put inside of your pot, or you can use this option here, which is the clamp that can twist on to the bottom of the light, and you can clamp it on to the pot or the plant stand or whatever it is that you're putting it on. And it also comes with the 2 plug attachments, and these are the timers here. So I'm going to finish unwrapping this, and then we will take a look at what they look like on the actual plants. Here is the light in my palm, so you can get a idea of the size of the light. It's about 3 inches or so. And so let's go ahead and put this together. I'm going to choose to use the clamps because I didn't really want to put it inside of my pot, because I remove some of my pots for watering, and so I didn't want to have to move the light too many times. So it twists on really easily, you guys, and it's nice and tight, and the plug goes on real easy as well. And now that you've taken a look at the lights, I do want to say, you guys, that Wallazek is offering to send 2 lights to a giveaway winner on my channel here. So if you like these lights and would like to win, please make sure to check the description box or down in the comments for the giveaway rules. And yeah, make sure you enter, you guys. So this is what the lights look like on the stand here. I did clamp it onto the books that I have underneath my plants. You could clip it to the pot again, or you can clip it to the stand. It's really sturdy, adjustable. The light has a 360 gooseneck and can adjust the light direction in any way you want. Here I'm pointing out how I use the wire tie to do some cord management. And these are the functions of the light. It has 3 light modes, and it also has a timer and a dimmer function. All 3 of them work really well, you guys. I've had this light for over 3 weeks now, and yeah, they work really well. They come on when they're supposed to, they turn off when they're supposed to, they stay at the setting that I have it, and they are not too strong, so they don't burn my plant leaves or anything like that. I'm hoping that this will be really good for the ZZ here and my oxalis, so it doesn't go into dormancy. I also did want to say that this light also has 48 LEDs, and it's a full spectrum light. It's also very aesthetically pleasing in my opinion, you guys. I really do enjoy and like this light. Again, check the links down below if you like this light, because we will be offering also a 10% discount. That's good until February 29th. There will be 2 giveaway winners, and each giveaway winner will win 1 of these lights, and you can choose either black or white. I did want to also mention that these lights have a 12-month warranty, so if you have any issues, you can email the company and they'll get back to you. They've been pretty good with getting back to me. and my emails. You also have 30 days to return the light if for any reason you don't like it, with no questions asked, you guys. And I think that's awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I really like the way these lights turned out. They look beautiful. They're inexpensive as well. This company reached out to me and sent them to me for free to review, but I want to give you guys my honest review. And I think they're perfect for individual plants or maybe even a grouping like this, because as you can see, they're pretty bright. They have a lot of different functions. You can get them in black or white. I mean, what else can you ask for, you guys? I'm going to leave the link down below so you guys can check them out if you want. They are from Amazon. I'm really excited to be able to bring this onto the channel for you guys so you can check them out. I really think they're affordable. They seem to be of good quality. So yeah, go ahead and check that link down below, you guys. Let me know what you think about these lights. Would you purchase them? Are you into lights like this? Also, they have a 10% discount that I will put down in the description for you guys as well. And it's good until February 29th. So if you're planning on purchasing this, you can go ahead and use that discount and get 10% off. I'll check you guys out on my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.